trying to make that
Mm-hmm.
but it was like this only. It was not going like this.
When you put the objects no to measure it, then it will go up and down.
But I tried, I kept an eraser and a sharpener, but it
Mm-hmm.
was only like this only.
When the weight is same, then it will be same.
When I
Maybe your eraser and sharpener weight is same. Okay. So once again, good morning to everyone. We will
Good
wait
morning,
one.
ma'am.
Yeah, we will wait 1 or 2 minutes
Morning,
more
ma'am.
to everyone join. Yes, good morning. Children, I told you to make a weighing scale. Few of them, only 6 to 7 students have sent me the images also. Nishika, I request you to attend your class regularly. Right now also I can see you are somewhere out and you are attending your class in a moving vehicle. I request you to attend your class regular and please present in class every day. Rishika, you are not answering me. Your camera is also
Yes,
now
ma'am.
off.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
Yes. So Nishika, have you checked your CET marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Are you happy with this?
No, ma'am.
I am expecting more from you, Nishika.
Yes, ma'am.
Please start practicing, please.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, in CD I had full marks, but because of spelling I got less marks.
Yes.
ma'am,
Make
can I
that
speak
sit
something?
properly at your place.
Good morning, Reenu, ma'am.
Good morning. I have not
Ma'am,
yet
can I
started
speak
the class.
something?
I have not started anything because I'm waiting for other children to join the class.
Ma'am, can I speak something?
Yeah,
Mohit
Diksha,
Sharma,
please.
turn on your camera, please. There are many students whose cameras are off, ma'am.
Please turn on your camera, everyone. Anushka,
Yes.
Kahan,
I request everybody to turn on their cameras, please.
please turn on your camera. Nek Italia, Ridhan Goyal.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Arya, about you, I know that your camera is not working. About others, please switch on your camera. Okay,
Ma'am, am I visible?
let me see. No, Anushka. Yeah, you are visible now.
Yes, ma'am.
Turn on your camera, everyone. Okay,
What is the page number?
133. There, your camera is not on. Children, sit with your camera on. Nek, Ridhan, everyone, please. Okay, now I start my today's topic, which is chapter number 12. What is written? What is the name? Make that said properly. I will see it later on. I have already seen you have sent me
How
the images.
heavy, how light?
Yes, Lakshya, very good. The name of this chapter is How Heavy, How Light. Who is going to tell me what are we going to learn in this chapter? Yes, Riva.
Ma'am, the
Ma'am,
way
we are going to learn that.
Vighan is Riva. Yes, Riva, tell me.
Ma'am, we are going to learn that which objects is heavy and which objects are light.
Light. So we are going to learn about the heavy objects and the light objects, which are heavy, which are light. How you will compare these objects? Who will tell me how you are going to compare whether this object is
Ma'am,
heavy and this object is light?
ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please, Anushka.
Ma'am, we will know the objects that are heavy in kilograms, and the objects that are light, we will know them in the grams.
This is called what? What you are measuring in the kilogram and gram? What you
Weight.
are measuring? Yes, we are measuring the weight.
Weighing
Migdat, I request Riva and Migdat to please keep this weighing scale aside. So we are going to measure the objects on the basis of their weight. These two terms, these two words, heavy and light, in which other subject also you learn and heard about this? In which subject you have learned heavy and light? Only in math?
Megdad is still playing. Megdad.
I suppose because
Only
they are
in
English.
maths you learn about these two words, heavy and light?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, English.
Yes, in English also. In English,
Ma'am, Hindi.
yes, in Hindi. Can you please explain how you learn in English these two words?
Ma'am, the elephant.
Ma'am, opposite.
Heavy and the
One by one. Vihan, you speak.
Opposite.
and the
Very good. Wait.
elephant. And the elephant weight is heavy and the feather weight is light. Ma'am, so heavy and light are called that opposites of each other.
Opposites, yes. And you, in maths, you are measuring them on the basis of weight. And in English, you learn on the basis of the opposites. These are the opposites, heavy and light. So,
Renu ma'am, may I say something?
yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah, in EVS also in recent chapter, vegetable vendor. In
Yes.
vendor, they are selling the vegetables, and we have
Vegetables.
discussed about all weighing machine, weighing grams, kilograms, grams. We have discussed that.
So, all these things don't take any topic we learn in only one subject. We are connecting them. Though all the topics of mathematics also connected with your real life situations, right? So now I'm going to show you some real objects, and we are going to compare them on the basis of weight. So you tell me. Now, can you all see what is in my hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Toy car. A toy
And
car.
what is the other thing in my hand?
Pencil.
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 Now, when we are comparing the objects on the basis of their weight, we use the word heavier than or lighter than.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
if I say pencil is dash than car,
Lighter than.
very
Lighter.
good. Lighter than. Yes. So, this is heavy, this is light. Pencil is light and the car is heavy. Now, I have another object. Can you see what is in my hand?
Bottle.
A water bottle.
A water bottle filled with water, right? A water bottle filled with water and an empty glass. Now I will say a water bottle is dash than an empty glass. Heavier than. A water bottle is heavier than an empty glass. Now I have this newspaper and this book in my hand, right? Now, can you please tell me which objects out of these is heavier?
Textbook.
Book
Math
is heavier.
textbook.
Book is heavier. Now, can you all stand up and we are going to do one warm-up song? Can you all stand up? Please stand up and we are going to do one warm-up song on heavy and light objects. When I will say heavy, you will say like this, heavy. When I say light, lighter, right? These you are going to use in this way. Anushka, stand down properly. Okay. So, are you all ready to sing one song with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Heavy, heavy. Say heavy, heavy.
Heavy, heavy.
All say together.
Heavy.
Heavy. Lighter.
Lighter.
Heavy. A book is heavy. A book is heavy. A book is heavy. A paper is lighter. A paper is lighter. Bottle is heavy. Bottle is heavy.
Bottle is heavy.
Bottle is heavy.
Glass is lighter. Glass is
Glasses
lighter.
lighter.
Glasses.
Glasses lighter.
Pencil is lighter. Pencil is lighter. Mobile is heavy. Mobile is heavy. Very good. Now sit down, all of you. Sit down. Sit at your place. Are you all excited with this? Can we all do again?
Yes, ma'am.
Heavy objects? Heavy, heavy. Because you need, heavy objects, you need to put them, right? So heavy, lighter. Everyone, please check everyone's camera is on.
Yes, ma'am.
Please keep your camera on, everyone. Very good. Now, please mute your mic, Anya. Now I'm going to show you one video on heavy and light objects. Is this visible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Hello friends! Have you ever thought why some objects can be easily lifted while some cannot? Well, this is because different objects have different weights. When we classify objects based on their weight, we get heavy and light objects. This watermelon is heavy, while the strawberry is light. Look at this ship. It is heavy, whereas this boat is light. A football is heavy, but a balloon is light.
Ma'am, it is football.
Do you know that we can also compare objects based on their length?
Ma'am, a football is not heavy. We can hold it. Anyone can.
Children, when we are comparing it with the another object which is lighter than that football, right?
Yeah.
Then we can say that football is heavier than that balloon.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I drink water?
The balloon was. Excuse me.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, if
Which
balloon
child is
is
speaking?
light, then why balloon is not?
Farzan, yes, what you are asking?
And if balloon is like gas balloon,
Mhm.
so why it is not going down? Why it is going up?
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. That Kayuri ma'am will help you to give the answer. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Farzan, it is because the gas which is present inside the balloon, which is
Yes.
helium,
Yes, ma'am.
it is very, very light. Okay. The molecules of that gas are very, very light. Okay. That is why it is going up. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. This question was related to science, so I hand over to Kayuri ma'am.
Thank you, Renu.
Okay. So now, which Gunav was asking something. Yes, Gunav. Yes, Gunav, you were asking something. Are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Do you want to ask something?
Ma'am, it is football.
It
No,
is
ma'am, I said it is football.
football what?
Football.
Are you comparing football with something?
Football, ma'am, like football and back, it is football only.
Okay. Now, we are going to learn
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I want to ask something. Ma'am, what is heavier, football or basketball?
Which one?
Ma'am, what is heavy, football or basketball? I am asking.
Ma'am, I know.
Yes, Rudra, tell.
Basketball.
Basketball. Yes. Here also I have some balls to show you. See, now out of these two balls, which one will be heavy?
Ma'am, the larger ball.
Big ball. This one will be heavy compared to this ball. Okay.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, if the large ball will be if of air and the small ball will be of plastic or
Plastic.
tin, the small ball will be heavier.
Yeah, that depends on the weight of the ball. Okay. But right now, when I am measuring it here on my hand, I feel that this is heavier than this. Okay.
Ma'am,
Now, yes. Now I'm going to show you one video.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, Monopoly and what? Who is the heavier?
What you are saying?
Monopoly and what? What is the heavier?
Monopoly weighs what?
Monopoly is heavier than what?
Monopoly is a game, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Out of Monopoly and which other name you are saying?
Ma'am, what?
What?
I also have a game similar to that. Monopolize.
Ma'am, wall clock.
Ma'am,
Yes.
basketball.
Ma'am, wall clock and Monopoly.
See, that is the game. Monopoly is a game, right? How you will able to compare between the Monopoly? That depends on the weight of that box.
Ma'am, I have Monopoly game.
Okay. So please now listen here.
Weight of all persons inside the elevator is more than 400 kilogram, it gives some warning. Now, Manilal is 100 kilogram. He is overweight. Aman and Khushi are 40 kilogram.
See, in measurement of weight, we are going to learn different units, kilogram and gram. So for bigger units, we are for bigger weight, like heavy weight, we use kilogram. 1 kilogram equals to how many grams, children?
Ma'am, 1,000 as well.
1,000 grams.
1,000 grams.
1,000 grams.
1,000 grams. And half a
1,000
kilogram
grams.
equals to how many? Half a kilogram, 500. And what is the short form of kilogram we will use?
kg.
Kg. What is the short form for grams we will use?
G.
G. That is grams. Yes. Now, when you children go in the lift also, there also something written that it will take only 600 grams or 6 kg or 5 kg. More than that, the lift will not carry. So how we will see that whether, but there are written 8 persons, 6 kg. Now we will measure that. Sometimes 9 person also will be 8 kg. Sometime, but the weight is written, the limit of the weight is written 8 kg. More than 8 kg will not take in the one lift. Sometimes it depends on the capacity of the lift. Sometimes 5 kg, sometimes 2 kg, 3 kg. Depend on the capacity. But here now we will see what is the capacity of the lift and how many people are going. How many people's capacity. Both the capacity will be written on the lift, right? When you go to the lift, in your building also you can check. They write the persons also. They write the number of kg also, how much the kg it will take and how many people it will take, right? So now here we will check how many people are going in this lift.
And 34 kilogram in weight respectively. Rajat is 62 kilogram, John is 56 kilogram, and one more child is there who is around 23 kilogram. Can the elevator carry them? Though there are more than 5 persons, still total weight is less than 400 kilogram. 100 plus 40 plus 34 plus 62 plus 56 plus 23 is equal.
They told the capacity of this lift is, or the elevator is 400 kg. But after measuring these number of peoples, after measuring, please stop messaging in the chat box, children. After measuring this, we came to know that there are only 315 kg. So, and the people are 5. But there the limit was people should be only 4. Will they able to go and enter in this lift now? All the 5 will go? Yes or no? Switch on your mics.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, who is Manilal? That purple shirt and that
First
green.
one.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Equal to
There are
350.
Ma'am, there are no four people. There's just three people. See, there are only 3
1,
adults.
2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people are there.
And there are only 3.
Can you see on my screen there are 6 people?
Yeah, ma'am, but the 3 are adults. And
Who is saying that there are 3 people and 3 children?
So the weight, the children is not having the weight.
they are having, but very low.
Yeah, that is why, no. Sometimes they give you only 4 people. The children also will be counted in the 4 people, right? Your lift is allowing only 4 people, but there are 5 people. But their weight is less than the weight which is given as the targeted weight, right? Yes, Mohit.
My lift can take 7 people.
Yeah, and weight also written there. How much
Yes,
weight it
ma'am.
will take? Yes.
410.
Yes. So the people will go according to the weight in the lift.
Kilogram. So 315 kilogram is less than 400 kilogram and elevator can carry all of them in one turn. You must have seen weighing balance. Now people use digital weighing scale which shows the weight. In weighing balance, people uses metal weight on one pan and put object to be weighed in other pan, then balance both. When both are balanced properly, it means weight of the object is equal to the weight of metal weights. There are 50 gram, 100 gram, 500 gram weight, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram, even 20 kilogram and 50 kilogram weight. Weight of a sack of rice is equal to the weight of 2 kilogram, 5 kilogram, 10 kilogram, 20 kilogram and 500 gram metal weights. So, its weight is 2 plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 kilogram and 500 gram, that is 37 kilogram 500 gram. Now, 1 kilogram cotton is lots of cotton, but 1 kilogram iron looks much smaller.
Now, children, this is very, very important. 1 kilogram iron and 1 kilogram cotton. Which is heavier?
Ma'am, both are equal. Yes.
Yes.
Both are equal.
Very good. Excellent. Both are equal. Because they are on the basis of their weight, not on the basis of the capacity, right? They are on the basis on their weight. And the weight, whether the cotton is taking so much space and the iron of 1 kg taking less space, but on the basis of weight, both are same. Both are same. Please respond when the teacher is asking. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
But both has same weight. We can balance 1 kilogram iron with 1 kilogram cotton in weighing balance and see both will be equal. Now, when do we use kilogram and when gram? 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So, kilogram is much heavier. We buy rice in kilogram like 1 kg, 2 kg, 10 kg because we eat lots of rice. But we buy chili in grams like 100 gram, 200 gram. As we eat chili in less quantity compared to rice, same goes for other spices. Weight of an elephant would be in kilogram because it is very heavy such as 3500 kilogram. But a mouse is light and weighs less such as 40 gram. Say this stone is 1 kilogram 500 gram. I can put it in one pan of weighing balance and put some iron object in another pan. If the pan with iron object goes down, then that is heavier, otherwise that iron object is lighter than 1 kilogram 500.
See, when we measure the objects in the weighing scale, now how you will find out whether this is more than or this is less than? The heavier objects will go down and the lighter objects will go
Up. Ma'am, can I know it is the heaviest?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, the rock, because it is 1 kilogram and 500 gram, and the iron is 1 kilogram.
Yes. So to make it equal, what we have to do?
We need to make 500 gram iron also.
Yes. So to bring it on the same balance. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a question. Can I ask?
Yes, please, Ayansh.
Ma'am, I take a stone, a big stone, and 1 kilogram of iron. So, who is heavier?
If you are taking one side 1 kilogram iron, you have to find out which is going down, which is going up. That the object, the weighing scale, the side which is going down will be heavier, and the side which is going up will be lighter.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes,
Anvi
ma'am.
Kothari, please stop playing with that. Something is there in her hand. Stop playing with that.
Please. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
gram. It is a good idea to guess weight of something. We must develop an idea of weight of things, people, etc. If a 7-year-old boy is 32 kilogram, he is overweight. But when a 16-year-old boy is 35 kilogram, he is too thin, maybe sick. If an adult is 80 kilogram and over 6 feet, he may not be fat. If a 5 feet tall person is 80 kilogram, he is certainly fat. A good sized pumpkin should be more than 5 kilogram, but a good well-grown cabbage generally weighs a little more than 1 kilogram. Now, weight of a cabbage can be equal to weight of 10 tomatoes. So, a tomato can be 100 gram or lighter. So, look around and list down weight of people.
So now you are clear which objects are lighter, which objects are heavier, and how to measure the objects on the basis of the weight, how much they are heavier or how much they are lighter. As I told you, when you put in the weighing scale, the heavier object will go down and the lighter object will go up. This is on the basis of the traditional weighing scale. But nowadays we have the different kind of weighing scale, digital weighing scale, right? When you want to measure the weight of the person, then you use yes, Desai.
Ma'am, can I see an example?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, I have 2 tomatoes of 100 grams. So
I have a iron of 1 gram.
Iron of 1 gram. Okay.
Iron of 1 gram. So the tomatoes will be have heavy weight.
Yes. So tomatoes are heavier than the, because it depends on the weight of that object, right? Okay. Now I will show you the different weighing scales and how you will apply this kilogram gram in your daily life. When you go to the market, how you will purchase the things and which things you want in the kilograms, which things you want in the grams, because some things which you use regularly, like in this video, last video when I was showing you, it was written the rice we need it in a daily life every day. So rice we buy more, so we take in kgs, but at chilies we buy less. Why? Because chilies we require less in quantities, and that we buy in the grams. In your textbook there is an activity which we will do later on, but there is an activity that lists the things which you buy in the grams and list the things which you buy in the kilograms, which is on your page number 138. Which is on your page number 138. It is written like list the 5 things which you buy in the grams and list the 5 things which you buy in the kilograms. It depends on the need, how much we need them, right? Wheat we buy more, and wheat flour we buy more, right? Compared to the maize and different flours we buy less. Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, a plant is in gram or kilogram?
Plant. When the plant is in the pot,
Yes.
it will be in kilograms. I think it will be heavier, right? When the plant you take out from the pot,
Yes.
it will be lighter.
One fish is in gram, right?
It depends on the size. It depends on the, that you will find out with the measurement.
There are so many fishes.
So many fishes, right? So when it is a small fish, it will be in grams. It will be a big fish. Maybe it will be in a kilogram. It will be long, big fish. When you buy, you have in the aquarium. Good. I think it will be less than 500 grams. So it will be in grams. Okay. Yes, Nishika. Dry fruits.
And
Dry fruits, you can measure it in the weight. When you go and buy only 4 cashew nuts or 4 almond nuts, it will be in grams. It can come in grams also. It can come in kilograms also.
Yeah, ma'am. It also depends on.
It also depends on price. It also depends on your need, how much you want. I go to the market, I buy 500 grams, right? Because I need 500 grams only. But you go to the market, right? And you want more because you have more family members and you want to give some gifts to the family members. You want to buy more. So you maybe you take in kilograms. It depends on your need.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Megdad is not on his place. Megdad?
Megdad, please.
He is not on his place at all. The camera is on.
Every day it is a problem with this child. Megdad, please. Yeah, he is there now.
Focus here. Stop talking with anybody else. Focus here.
Ma'am, also gold.
Yeah, also gold also come in grams and gold also come in kilograms also. So that's why I'm telling you, you have to see how much you need it and you have to buy accordingly.
Mama, small piece of diamond.
Like if I want to buy some spices or some black pepper, will I buy in kilograms?
No, ma'am, grams.
Yeah, black pepper I will buy in grams. But if I need to make something which is nowadays you people are eating this laddus also sweet. In that also some people put this black peppers in this season.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Diamonds is measured in carats.
Yeah, diamond is measured in carats. We are not here to measuring things. Yes.
Ma'am, you should talk about diamonds. This is Diamond City, ma'am.
Yeah. Surat is diamond city. So diamond it will not come with the measurement of weight. It will come on the measurement of the carats. How much carat there?
You know, ma'am.
Ma'am, gold will also measure.
Ma'am, if you want to measure carat in kilogram for especially diamond, it is, though it is not related to you, Vihan, but just for your information, it is 0.0002 kilogram. 1 carat is 0.0002 kilogram.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it now?
Ma'am.
Yes, I
ma'am.
will.
Ma'am means 2 milligram.
Ma'am, I'm saying
Yes.
that, ma'am, see, what will this sofa, see a sofa, how much kilograms will be it?
This sofa,
Yeah.
we can guess only around 10 to 15 kg. And this is the big one which you are showing, which will be more than 35-40 kg.
This one?
You tell me.
Maybe 20 or 25.
Yeah, we can guess only until and unless we will not measure it on the weighing scale.
Yes.
Okay. Then on the measurement on the weighing scale, we will get it accurately.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Nishika.
A scooter and a car would be like in how many weight?
It will be in kilograms, but scooter will be heavy or the car will be heavy?
Ma'am.
Car will be heavy. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, and a truck?
Yes.
Truck will be?
Dawn.
Truck.
Truck. He is asking
Truck
about
will
truck.
be more heavier. You are comparing with which? Truck will be heavy, but if you are comparing with another object, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you tell me you are comparing truck with which object?
Ma'am, a car.
Car. So naturally, truck will be heavier than a car.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
And a
No,
what
no,
about truck and bungalow?
Yes.
Ma'am, truck will be bungalow.
Truck and bungalow.
Ma'am,
Yes, Migdad.
ma'am, can I ask you first? What, ma'am?
Wait, let Migdad ask. Yes, Migdad.
How about if we compare truck and bungalow?
You tell me which will be heavy.
Ma'am, bungalow.
Bungalow, I guess.
Yes, bungalow will be heavier than a truck.
Ma'am,
Yes, Priya.
ma'am, truck
Yes.
will be heavy or an aeroplane?
Aeroplane.
Ma'am,
The machines
Ma'am, truck will be
that are
heavier
more
than
heavier compared to the truck.
ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
I have a unique question.
Yes, Vivan.
Ma'am, I had plant whose weight is more.
What you have?
Ma'am, can I leave?
Me and plant.
Lakshya, wait a minute.
Ma'am.
Can I leave?
No.
Renu, ma'am. Me and plant. Me and one plant.
Plant depend on the size of the plant, weight of the plant. The plant is, you are measuring yourself with the plant, small plant or the big tree you are measuring?
No, ma'am. Small
Small
plant.
plant. So you tell me which is heavier, your weight is heavier? Or... Yes.
Ma'am, because my weight is 21.
Yes, yes, Desai.
Ma'am,
So,
a truck and a bus.
Truck and a bus. Which is heavier? Small truck, it is small in size or it is big?
Ma'am, time's up. Ma'am, equal. It will be equal.
It depends on the size, it depends on the weight of that things, right? Now listen to me. Tomorrow we are going to do this activity of which is heavy, which is lighter on the basis of the weighing scale which I told you to make. Please bring it tomorrow in the online class and bring some objects also to show me. Like this, I'm going to present one. Wait a minute, I'll show you how you are going to show me. And you have to bring some objects to show me whether which is light and which is heavier, and you have to explain me.
Ma'am, I have objects.
Just a minute. Can you all see this? Can you all able to see this on my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So this way you are going to bring your weighing scale in your live class tomorrow and bring some objects, and you have to show me that which object is heavier and which object is light. The way I have explained you, the heavier objects will go down, this is the way, and the lighter will go up. See, this way you are going to explain me. And then after that, we are going to learn about different weighing scales and how to measure the objects in our live class tomorrow. Thank you, children, for today's class. Thank you, Kayuni ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, Renu ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.